Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can send USDT on TRC20 on Binance. First up, open your browser and then go to Binance website and then make sure to sign in with your account. And then go to the wallet right here and then click on Overview. Now here on the next page, as you can see, you just need to click on Withdraw button right from here. And then here on this page, when I go and select the coin, so basically click on the drop down menu and select USDT. And from here, you can select any exchange or wallet you want. If you're going to use wallet, make sure that you're using Tron network or else you will not be able to receive the USDT. But if you are using an exchange, for example, here in qcoin.com, go to wallet section, then go to funding account right here. And then here on the funding account, as you can see right here, go to the search box and type USDT. And then here, go to deposit. So click on this one. So basically here, you just have to select the network. So it should be TRC20. So select this one. And then here, you just have to copy the address. So go back. So this one, copy link. There you have it. Then go back to Binance. And then you should have to paste the address right here. And then we have to select the network. So it should be TRX or Tron TRC20. And then here, you just need to enter the amount. Make sure that it's 10 USDT and above. For example, I'm going to enter 11. And you can now select your wallet if you have funds in spot wallet or funding wallet. And then here, as you can see, the network fee and the amount that you will receive, 10 USDT. Once done, click on the withdraw button. And then you will now go to security verification. And once done, wait for the transaction to be completed. And then go back to qcoin.com and see your account and check if you received the USDT in your wallet. So that's it. That's how you basically send the USDT on TRC20 on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.